Everybody, welcome to the English class. Let's start the class singing, okay? One more time. Let's sing See the World. Open your microphones, please.
Workbook.
Let's sing.
Module 3. Revision. 5. Read and match the lines with the pictures. Then sing. See the world.
I want to travel to another
place or ever travel to outer space, walk on the moon, and ride
Creeping along the river, I climbed the
the long
towards the biggest waterfall
clear
and
the
cross the
highest
large sea. I want to
tower.
lead I want to travel to another place or even travel
Want
to another space.
cross the largest the largest sea. I want to do
Wonderful and cross a large sea. I want to do it.
largest sea.
I want to travel to another place or even travel to another space.
I want to travel to another place. I want to travel to another even travel to another space.
Travel another place. I want to travel another place.
Okay, we are going to sing one more time, because not all the students sing. Only some students. And the rest, let's sing one more time, okay?
Workbook. Module 3.
Open your
Revision.
microphones.
And match the lines with the pictures. Then sing.
Rommel, your
See
camera.
the
Adimir,
world.
your camera. I want to
I
travel
want
to
to travel to another place
Oh,
or
yeah.
even travel to outer space. On the moon and ride a hot air balloon. Ride a balloon in the longest climb the highest tower.
See the biggest
See the biggest waterfall across the largest sea. I want to do it all. Across the largest sea, I want to do it all. I want to travel to another place. Even travel to outer space.
Okay, my friends. In the lesson number 1, we learn about comparative. No? The teacher evaluate this, no? If you make questions using the comparative. And some of you did good examples. We worked with this vocabulary, no? Please, one more time. Read the vocabulary, okay? Read. Open your microphones.
Buildings, skyscraper, tower, bridge, pyramid, busy, business, bike, good, better, bad, worse, harder, much, many, more.
Good, my friends. We learned about comparative, no? Also, we worked in the workbook, no? Yesterday. And then we worked in groups and the poetry. We made the groups. Ok, chicos, vamos a hacer un pequeño alto acá. Ayer determinamos los grupos. Quiero verificar nada más que esté bien esto, ¿ok? The group number 1 is Nicolás, Rodrigo, Regina, Kiara, and Abigail, ¿no? Yes? Nicolás, Rodrigo, Regina, Kiara. Yes, no, this is okay. And the group number 2, Alejandro, Adimir, Álvaro, Fabiana, and Jacob. Again,
Yes,
Jacob.
teacher.
Oh, no, Jacob is here. Jacob. Okay, yeah, this is your groups, okay? This is in your... Chicos, esto les he enviado en la clase grabada de ayer. El día de hoy te voy a volver a enviar en la tarde, junto con la clase grabada, va a estar este archivo. ¿Ya? Si no lo tienes, lo descargas hoy en la tarde. Okay, my friends? Yeah, we stopped with the poem, no? And now let's start the lesson number 2. Okay? In this lesson number 2, we are going to talk about using the superlative. Okay? Who can tell me which is the largest desert in the world? Who can tell me which desert is the largest desert? Who knows? No idea? The Atacama Desert? Let's watch the video, okay? And then you tell me.
El desierto.
Yeah, but the question is, which is the biggest desert in the world? What is the name of the desert?
Egypt.
Yeah, let's watch, okay? Let's watch. And then you answer this question, okay?
Desert is a landscape or region that receives very little precipitation, less than 250 millimeters per year. Approximately 1/3 of Earth's land surface is a desert. In this video, we will see the world top 5 largest desert. Five, Gobi Desert, 500,000 square miles. The Gobi Desert covers parts of northwestern and northern China, as well as the south of Mongolia. It occupies about 500,000 square miles of total land area. The Gobi Desert is sometimes called the Rain Shadow Desert, as the proximity of the desert to the Himalayan mountains blocks rainfall, as it keeps clouds from the Indian Ocean from reaching the Gobi. Most of the Gobi surface is not sandy, but rather exposed, bare rock. It is a cold desert and snow occasionally will accumulate on its dunes. 4. Arabian Desert, 900,000 square miles. The Arabian Desert is found in Western Asia, where it covers most of the Arabian Peninsula. It is one of the largest deserts on Earth, with a land surface of about 900,000 square miles. It engulfs much of Yemen, the Persian Gulf, Oman, Jordan, and Iraq. 3. Sahara Desert, 3,500,000 square miles. The Sahara Desert is the third largest desert in the world and the world's largest hot desert. The Sahara Desert occupies a surface area of about 3.5 million square miles. This desert accounts for most of the land in North Africa, excluding the fertile regions of Maghreb, the Atlas Mountains, and the coastal region adjacent to the Mediterranean Sea. Most of...
Okay, now you can see here which is the largest desert. What is the name of this last desert? Who can tell me which is the largest? This is the largest, the biggest desert in the world. Repeat, please, everybody. Repeat. Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert.
Because has 3,500,000 square miles. You see, it's huge, it's very big. And this is the biggest desert in the world. Another question for you. Which is the biggest animal in the world? Who can tell me which is the biggest animal? Gabriel, tell me.
The elephant.
The elephant? No, there is another.
The giraffe?
No. Nicolas.
The blue whale. The blue whale.
Yeah, Nicolas. The same, no, Nicolas?
Camel?
No, the biggest animal in the world is the blue whale. Okay?
Blue whale.
Yes. Okay, my friends, pay attention. In this class, we are going to work in groups and you are going to make questions using the superlative. Okay? In this case, you're going to use the superlative. You can say, no, what is the biggest country in the world? What is the biggest city in the world? What is the longest bridge in the world? And what is the tallest building? The tallest building, the highest building in the world. Okay, you are going to use like that. Questions using superlative. Remember, superlative is the adjective, and est, the biggest, the shortest, the largest. Okay, we are going to use that. Okay, in groups. And if you don't make questions, sorry for you. You need to make questions. Okay, using superlative. Remember. Okay, my friends, but let's start first with the vocabulary. Okay, let's start with the vocabulary. Okay, my friends, please open your young stars. Let's go to the student book. Let's go to the page 28 and 29. Okay, open your young stars, page 28.
Wait, teacher, speaking.
28 is in your young stars. Okay, 28.
Profesor, una pregunta. ¿Es student book o workbook?
A student book, Elena. Let's go to the student book, the page 28. We have the vocabulary, more vocabulary. Okay? Listen and repeat, please.
Plant.
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 Plant. Plant.
Waterfall.
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 Jungle.
Jungle. Jungle. Desert.
Island.
City.
Okay, close your microphones. Listen, only listen. This is a plant, similar to Spanish. This is a waterfall. Teacher, what is waterfall? Catarata. Okay, waterfall. Jungle, you know, the jungle, San Ramon, the Amazon, those are jungles. Pucallpa, no? Desert, the Sahara, the Gobi Desert, okay? This is island. Island, no. Island, the pronunciation, island. Similar to Spanish. City, similar to Spanish. Teacher, what is dry? Dry is an adjective. Okay?
Seco, teacher.
Yes. The comparative of dry, drier. The superlative, the driest. Okay? The driest. This is wet, the opposite of dry. The comparative, wetter. The superlative, the wettest. Okay, this is the superlative. Continent, similar to Spanish, and cross. Teacher, what is cross? It's an action. Cruzar, cruza. Okay, cross. That is. Danny Palomino, please. Danny, open your microphone, read the vocabulary.
Plant. Waterfall. Jungle. Desert. Island. City. dry, wet, continent, cross,
Danny, repeat please. Island.
island,
Island.
island,
Jungle.
jungle,
Thank you, boy. Thank you. Elena. Elena, read please the vocabulary.
land, waterfall, jungle, desert, island, city, dry, wet, continent, cross.
Very good, Elena. Thank you, Gir. And to finish, Abigail, okay? Abigail,
Yes, teacher.
read.
Land, waterfall, hung, hung, desert, island, city, dry, wet, continent, crows,
Repeat, Abigail. Jungle.
jungle,
Jungle.
jungle,
Island.
island,
Island.
island.
Thank you, Gir. Okay, my friends. Now pay attention to the story, okay? Pay attention to this story because we are going to answer some questions. Okay? Look, please, the video.
It's Monday morning. What do you know about deserts, children? They're hot and dry.
And there aren't many plants.
I think they are the driest places in the world. Well done. And in which continent can you find the largest desert?
In Asia,
No. It's the Sahara Desert in Africa. Look, it crosses 12 countries. That's right, Greg. Later. What about jungles? They're forests and it rains every day. Yes, I think they are the wettest places in the world.
there are lakes and waterfalls too.
The biggest jungle is the Amazon. Now tell me, where is the best place to live? On an island. They're the most beautiful places in the world.
No way. Cities are better than islands.
I mean between the desert and the jungle.
Sorry, Miss Adams.
Yeah, let's watch one more time, okay?
It's Monday morning. What do you know about deserts, children? They're hot and dry.
And there aren't many plants.
I think they are the driest places in the world. Well done. And in which continent can you find the largest desert?
In Asia,
No. It's the Sahara Desert in Africa. Look, it crosses 12 countries. That's right, Greg. Later. What about jungles? They're forests and it rains every day. Yes, I think they are the wettest places in the world.
there are lakes and waterfalls too.
The biggest jungle is the Amazon. Now tell me, where is the best place to live? On an island. They're the most beautiful places in the world.
No way. Cities are better than islands.
I mean between the desert and the jungle.
Sorry, Miss Adams.
Okay, my friends. Question 1. What subject are they studying? Do you remember subject? What's your favorite subject? That is, the question is, what subject they are studying?
History teacher.
History. No, not exactly. History is about...
Teacher,
Oh.
geography. Desert.
Very good. In a sentence, Stephanie, in a sentence, they are studying...
They are studying geography.
Yes, they are studying geography. about mountains, deserts, jungles, geography. Very good. Second question. What are the characteristics of the deserts? They mention, it's in the book. What are the characteristics of deserts?
There aren't many plants.
Ah, very good. There aren't many plants. Another.
They are hot and dry.
Oh, good. The weather, no? The weather hot and dry. Very good. Another characteristic.
It's big.
Yeah, they are big. Yeah, it's big. Yeah. What else?
I think they are the driest place in the world.
Oh, very good. The driest place in the world. El lugar más seco del mundo. The driest place in the world. Very good. That is. Thank you. Yeah, let's continue with the next. And which is the largest desert in the world?
Sahara Desert.
Yeah, very good. In what continent is the Sahara Desert?
Africa.
Yeah, Africa. Very good. Yeah, another difficult question. How many countries the Sahara Desert crosses?
12. 12?
12 countries, you see?
12 countries, teacher.
It's very big, huh? It's huge. Peru is only in this part, no? It's very, very big. 3,500,000 square miles. It's very, very big. Okay? Very good. Also, they are talking about jungles, yes? What are the characteristics of jungles?
They are the wettest places in the world.
Yeah, very good. The wettest, no, they say. Another characteristic.
They are forests and there are lakes and waterfalls.
Very good. Lakes, waterfalls. What else?
The biggest jungle is the Amazon.
Ah, very good. There is another information.
Teacher, they are forests and it rains every day.
Very good. Forest and rains, no? Rains a lot. Every day. Very good. Also, they're talking about the highest, the largest forest, the Amazon. Very good. And in the last question, in Donna's opinion, what is the best place to live? In her opinion, what is the best place to live?
The city?
The city?
The island.
The island, yes. Why? What is the reason? On an island, no? She says that. Because in her opinion, the islands are the most beautiful places to live in the world. Because the beach, the sand, the weather, no? And pay attention here, this is a superlative, huh? Beautiful. The superlative is the most beautiful. When an adjective is big, the most dangerous, the most intelligent, the most modern, because the adjective is big. Okay, my friends, now is your turn, please. In your books, you have activity number 3. Read, please, the story. I'm going to give you 4 minutes. Complete, please, this sentence. Okay? You have 4 minutes. Read the story one more time and complete. Okay, you have 4 minutes. Alejandro, complete in your book. Rafaela, open your camera. Gabriel, your camera. Fabiana, your camera, please. Open your cameras, boys. I need to see if you are working or not. Complete your books. Complete your books, please. You have 4 minutes. The deserts are the what? Place in the world. There aren't many what in the desert. Three minutes. Finish, please. Activity 3. Two minutes, my friend. Complete your book, Alejandro. Your book. You have your book. Look at your book. Read the story. One minute to finish. Complete your book, please. Okay, my friends, and these students are going to help me, okay? It's a speaking, huh? You need to speak. You are going to speak. It's a speaking, okay? You need to speak. Okay, the time is over. Adimir, you help me in the 1, Luis the 2nd, Regina the number 3, Jacob 4, Elena 5, Chiara 6, Alejandro Belli number 7, and Camila number 8. Okay? Adimir, please help us with the number 1. And if you know the answer, raise your hand. Maybe these students can participate, can complete. Okay. So you participate instead, okay? Adimir, number 1.
Deserts are the dry places in the world.
The superlative, Adimir. Dry, drier, or driest?
Driest.
Thank you, boy. Remember, we are working now in superlative. Thank you, Adimir. The driest. Luis, number 2, please.
Sure. There aren't many plants in the desert.
Very good, Luis. Good job. Regina, number 3.
Perfect. The Sahara Desert is the ratito.
Come on, Regina. El tiempo que se les ha dado es para eso, para que completes. Other student, please help me. Number 3. Raise your hand. Stephanie, tell me, please. Number 3.
The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world.
Good. It's in the book. Thank you, Stephanie. Jacob, 4.
The Sahara Desert is which those country?
12. No, not exactly. It's an action, it's a verb. Nicolas, tell me please. Number 4.
Sahara Desert crosses two
12.
countries.
12, Nicolas.
12
Very good.
countries.
Yes, crosses, Jacob. Crosses. Cruza. 12 countries. Elena, please. Number 5.
Jungles are the waterfalls placed in the world.
Waterfall. Waterfall is not a superlative. You need to use an adjective, but in a superlative way. It's superlative. Rodrigo, please help me in the number 5. No, not exactly. Jungle. We are talking about jungles. Jungles are the... Gabriel, help me please.
Jungles are the wettest
Continue.
place in the world.
Very good. Wettest. Remember. Kiera, number 6, please.
The Amazon is the jungle.
Repeat, Kiera. Jungle.
Jungle.
Very good, Gear. It's correct. The Amazon. Alejandro Belli, 7. Valentino Belli, 7. Donna thinks, in Donna's opinion, the islands are the... Okay, Jacob, help us please. 7.
Donna thinks islands are the city place in the world.
No, my friend, cities, not city. Rommel, tell me please.
Donna thinks islands are the beautiful places in the world.
Yeah, most beautiful, okay? Superlative, most beautiful. You're near, you're very close, Rommel. Okay, and to finish, Camila, please. A. Camila.
Profe, Camila se ha desconectado, está mal su internet.
Thank you, teacher. Other student, please raise your hand. One volunteer. Okay, Roxana, help me, please. A.
City teacher, cities.
Yeah, it's good, but read, please. Read. Kevin.
Kevin thinks cities are better than islands.
Roxana, repeat. Islands.
Island.
Thank you.
Islands.
Good job. City, okay? Very good. Thank you, Roxana. Here, Rommel, no? Chiara, very good. Gabriel, very good. Jake.
Profe, se me había salido el internet cuando estaban diciendo de hacer crosses 12 countries.
Yeah.
Y puedo volver ahorita.
Yeah, Camila, don't worry. Copy, please, this in your book, okay? Check your answers. In the next activity, you participate, okay? Finish, please, my friends. Complete this. If you finish, tell me. We are going to finish. Did you finish, Álvaro?
Finish, teacher.
Finish, teacher. Thank you.
Finish, teacher.
Thank you, Nicolas. My friends.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, pay attention. A superlative is this. Pay attention. We are going to play now with a superlative. You know, last year we did this. Pay attention here. This is good, an adjective. Better is the comparative. Okay, comparative. We use comparative to compare two things, one versus one, the comparative. For example, cheetah is faster than lion. Giraffe is taller than a camel. An elephant is bigger than a hippo. Okay, this is the comparative. Remember, one versus one. This is 1, 1. Now we are working in superlative, the super. And superlative is a little different. Superlative is the, remember the article the, always, and the adjective est, the biggest, the shortest, the tallest, in this case, the farthest. Okay, and when the adjective is big, for example, beautiful, we use most beautiful, the most beautiful, the most intelligent, okay, the most dangerous, the most delicious, because the adjective is big. Remember this, okay? Open please your microphones. Open your microphones. Repeat please. Good, better, the best.
Good,
Good, better, the best.
Better the best.
better, the best.
Good, better, the best.
Worst, the
Bad, worst, the worst.
worst, the worst.
Far,
Farther, the
Many more.
many more.
Many more.
good. Very good, my friends. Now we are going to play to make a revision of this, okay? Please open one Kahoot. Today we are going to play in a Kahoot. Okay? It's in the chat, the link. Let's go to the chat. The pin, teacher, yeah, the pin is the number, come on. We are going to answer some superlative questions, okay? Superlative. 8337925. Enter, please. We are going to answer about superlative. The biggest jungle, the largest desert, the highest mountain, the longest river.
Profesor, ¿me puede enviar de nuevo el link? Porque
Okay, Gabriel. Gabriel, no? I'm going to send you.
sí,
See?
sí, lo que pasa es que
Yeah, it's in the chat.
este es el nombre de mi mamá.
Come on, enter the rest. Very good, Rafaela. Elena, enter. Abigail.
Ya entra, profesor.
Yes, Alvaro, you're here. Very good, Rommel, Gabriel. Jacob, enter. Kiara. Good, Roxana. Camila, hurry up. 1 minute more and we start, huh? Very good, Elena. If you had problems, use the chat, my friends, okay? In the chat, you tell me red, green, or yellow. Okay, let's start. Which is the fastest animal in the world?
Profe, no me carga la pantalla.
It's your internet, Camila. If you have problems, use the chat. Oh, very good. Remember, this is the superlative, huh? The fastest. You see? The fastest. This is superlative. Very good. Second question. True or false? Okay. The highest mountain. Yes, it's true. Come on, 3 students. Boys, the highest mountain in the world is the Everest.
Profe, ya no pude marcar porque estoy esperando a que me cargue la imagen.
But it's not necessarily the picture. You need to read the question.
Profesor,
Profe,
no
se
sé.
me quedó ahí en el morado diciendo estas son las tales en el primer puesto, segundo. Estoy esperando a que acabe el profesor y vi mi crisis y ya se había acabado el tiempo.
Camila, go to the chat. Go to Zoom. In the chat, tell me. Close your Kahoot because it's your internet. Go to Zoom. Tell me the color of the answer. Blue, green, yellow. Yes, Camila, it's good. The blue way. True or false, okay? Let's see. Very good, Camila. It's false, my friends. Teacher, but it's the largest. Yeah, but in the sentence says smallest. Read, please, the sentence. The smallest desert is the Sahara? No, it's false. Be careful in the sentence, in the question. Another. This is true or false? Yeah, it's true. Okay. The biggest country. The next. Good, Camila. The Amazon, my friends. The Amazon, the largest jungle. The longest river. The Nile, my friend, longest. The Amazon is the biggest, the largest, but the longest, the Nile. The next, the driest place in the world. The desert, driest. Remember, it's in your vocabulary, dry. The driest. Question 9. The farthest planet from the sun. Farthest. Yes, Neptune. Okay. And the last question. When one adjective is big, like intelligent, the superlative is the most. Okay? That is the superlative. Is taller is not superlative. It's not possible to use. Is the tallest? Yes. But is taller? No. Okay? It needs to be in superlative. The most intelligent.
Le había enviado también la receta para el chat.
Regina, very good. Roxana, second place. Good job, Roxana. Continue like that. Oh, Gabriel is the number 1. Congratulations, Gabriel. Rodrigo, number 4. Stephanie, number 5.
Profe, el cajón me botó.
Yeah, it's your internet, my friend. You have problems. Your connection is not good. Now, let's continue with this, okay? With the book. Activity 4, please. Number 4. Listen and circle. Okay? Listen, please.
4. Listen and circle A or B.
Good evening to all our listeners. Today, we have the scientist Jeff Thomas with us. He was in Brazil last month. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Eric. It's good to be here.
What can you tell us about the Amazon rainforest, Jeff?
Well, the Amazon rainforest is on the continent of South America. It crosses 9 countries, but most of it is in Brazil.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, it is the biggest jungle in the world. It rains there every day.
Very interesting. Tell us more.
There are different kinds of animals there. There are also many plants, lakes, and waterfalls. The Amazon River runs through the Amazon rainforest too.
Is it the longest river in the world?
No, it isn't. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. The River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world.
Thank you for all the information, Jeff. Well, that's all we have time for today. See you all next time.
Yeah, listen one more time.
4. Listen and circle A or B.
Good evening to all our listeners. Today, we have the scientist Jeff Thomas with us. He was in Brazil last month. Welcome, Jeff.
Thank you, Eric. It's good to be here.
What can you tell us about the Amazon rainforest, Jeff?
Well, the Amazon rainforest is on the continent of South America. It crosses 9 countries, but most of it is in Brazil.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, it is the biggest jungle in the world. It rains there every day.
Very interesting. Tell us more.
There are different kinds of animals there. There are also many plants, lakes, and waterfalls. The Amazon River runs through the Amazon rainforest too.
Is it the longest river in the world?
No, it isn't. The Amazon is the largest river in the world. The River Nile in Egypt is the longest river in the world.
Thank you for all the information, Jeff. Well, that's all we have time for today. See you all next time.
Okay, my friends. Let's see. Number 1. Valentino, Ramos. Number 1, please.
Sí, profe.
1.
Scientist.
Yeah, but read a sentence. Jeff
Thomas is a scientist.
Good, it's correct. Scientist. Okay, it's a scientist. Okay, Rodrigo, number 2, please, you. Carrera, number 2.
Teacher.
The Amazon.
No.
Yeah, it's correct, but read a sentence. The Amazon.
The Amazon rainforest crosses 9 countries.
Very good, boy. Thank you. It's correct. Fabiana, please, number 3. Fabiana.
Yes, teacher.
Read what
What can you
find
find in the Amazon rainforest? Forest? A, teacher?
Yeah, read, please. Read. Animals. Plants. Lakes.
Animals, plants, and waterfalls.
Yeah, that is. Sheldon, please, number 4. Sheldon,
Yes, teacher.
read.
What is the large rain underwater? El Nilo.
Yeah, repeat, please, Sheldon. The Nile.
The Nile.
But the question is largest. Don't confuse, huh? Largest is different than longest. My friends, don't confuse in these adjectives. Be careful. Largest is different. Longest is different. The longest is the Nile. The largest is the Amazon. Okay? Don't confuse this. Be careful. Largest, Amazon. Longest river, the Nile. Okay, now we are going to work in groups. Okay, my friends, in groups we are going to work and you are going to send questions similar to this. Which is the fastest animal in the world? The cheetah, no? Another question with the number 2. Who can tell me the question in number 2? Which is the
Cheetah.
Hike
Monte Everest.
mountain in the world.
in the world? The Everest. The longest, remember, superlative, the longest river, the Nile. The smallest continent, Australia. The largest animal, the blue whale. The biggest island, Greenland. Remember, it's superlative, huh? Open your microphones, please. Open your microphones. Repeat. Fastest.
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 Highest.
Question.
Highest.
Highest.
Longest.
Longest.
Tallest. Largest.
Largest.
Remember, use which is the fastest animal in the world, which is the highest mountain in the world, which is the longest river in the world. Okay, practice this in groups. Okay, the same, one student a question and the rest answer the question. Teacher, only this information or more information? Yeah, if you prefer more information. Which is the largest jungle in the world? Which is the smallest animal in the world? No, maybe, but you can change. It's your decision. Okay, let's work in groups. Okay, my friends, yeah. I'm going to change 5 groups, 5 students per group, okay? Accept the invitation, please. Go with your group. One student, the question in superlative, and the rest answer the questions. Let's go. Go with your groups. Let's go. Let's go. Accept the invitation. Elena, Jacob, Stephanie, Alejandro, Alessio, Luis. Yeah, one question. Any of you? Use this information, this. For example, which is the biggest island in the world?
The Greenland.
Oh, very good, boy. Your question, please. Oh, sorry, Valeria. Your question here. One question.
Which is the large animal in the world?
Regina, which is the largest?
The blue whale.
Oh, very good. Regina, your question. Regina, one question. Adimir, please, your question. Adimir, oh, come on.
Profesor, no se me ocurre nada.
Yeah, use this.
Which is the fastest animal in the world?
Good. Nicolas?
The cheetah.
Oh, very good. Continue, Nicolas. Another question.
Which is the longest river in the world?
Jaciel, the longest river.
Which?
Jaciel, repeat. The Nile.
The Nile.
The Nile.
The Nile.
Very good, boy. Continue with the questions. Continue.
Which
is the...
Ahora sí me pregunta.
Yeah. One question, please. One student.
Amiga, y primero tú me preguntas.
Okay. Which is fast? Digo, which is the big animal in the world?
Blue whale.
Boys, girls, you. Biggest animal, largest animal, smallest continent, fastest, the superlative. Use the superlative, okay? Continue. Another question.
Ahora yo pregunto, which in larger animal in the larger continent in the world?
Oh, that's a good question. Rommel, Álvaro, Abigail.
Profesor, estoy viendo con qué pregunté, profesor.
Ya pregunté.
Kiara, repeat. Kiara says, repeat please, Kiara.
Which is the largest continent in the world?
That's good. Alessio, the largest continent?
Professor?
Which is the largest continent in the world? Africa, America, Europe,
Africa.
Asia?
Africa, professor.
Africa. Kiara, is correct? Yeah, one more time, please. Repeat, Alessio.
Asia.
Yes, Asia is the largest. Good. Another question, please. Another student. Very good, Kiara.
Ya. Ahora le toca a Alessio preguntarle a...
Dale, se me pregunta a mí y yo respondo.
Which is the larger animal in the world?
Yeah, continue.
Ita. Which is the high mountain?
Continue with the questions.
Profesor, nadie quiere hablar y profesor me ha cambiado de grupo.
Alessandra, Rafaela, your question here. Make a question using the superlative. Fabiana, Valentino. For example, boys, which is the highest mountain in the world?
Is my Everest.
Yeah, very good boy. Valentino, please make a question.
Fastest animal.
Another. The question is here, Valentino. Yeah.
Which is the longer river in the world?
Okay, good. Rafaela, Alessandra, Fabiana, which is the longest river in the world?
The Nile, teacher.
Yeah, very good, Fabiana. The Nile. Your question, please, Fabiana.
Which is the biggest island
In the world?
in the world?
Oh, good. Rafaela. Alessandra. Which is, Fabiana says, which is the biggest island in the world? Alessandra, Rafaela.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, which is the biggest island, the largest island? I'm sorry, Girsa, you don't speak English. Continue with your questions. Valentino, Fabiana, Sheldon, continue with the questions.
A ver, ya me voy a preguntar.
Yo puedo preguntar.
Ya.
Continue.
¿A quién pregunto? ¿A quién pregunto?
A preguntar eso.
Dígelo bien. No la han tomado captura.
¿A quién pregunto?
Yo sí sé el orden, yo sí sé el orden. Ya, pero ya por orden, por orden.
Tiene problemas de internet.
Ajá, le está votando.
No le podemos preguntar nada.
Yeah, okay. Repeat the questions, please. Other students, repeat. Stephanie.
Bueno, Jacob ya me cuenta.
Which is the faster large animal in the world?
The blue whale.
No, da cheetah, porque está preguntado el animal más rápido.
Dije large.
Entonces sí es la blue whale.
Yes, the largest. Continue. More question. Another student.
Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Which is the biggest mountain in the world?
El Everest y el Nilo.
Jacob, in the mountain, biggest, no, it's the highest.
Se ha salido.
Es que tiene mal internet y se sale a cada rato.
Yes. Danny, please.
¿Alguien me pregunta?
Danny, pay attention, Danny. Answer Roxana. Roxana, repeat your question, please.
Yeah. Which is the smallest continent in the world?
Australia.
Very good, boy. Your question, Danny.
Which is the high mountain?
Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back. Boys, girls, pay attention in this part. In Spanish, I'm going to tell you. Boys, girls, chicos, esto es lo que les estoy evaluando. Que seas capaz de elaborar preguntas usando el superlativo. Si yo ingreso a tu grupo y nadie habla, sorry, my friend, sorry. Yo te tendré que poner C porque no elabora y no respondes preguntas. Okay, you need to make questions using the superlative. Okay, my friends? You have, in your books, you have the model. This is your example. Or if you prefer, you can use other examples, no? Other information from internet if you prefer. But you can use this. Okay? Some students make good questions. For example, one student says this, no? Which continent is the largest? Who can tell me the answer? Which continent is the largest continent?
Australia, teacher.
Australia? No, Australia is the smallest.
Asia.
Asia, yes. Asia is the largest. Be careful, boy. This is largest. Is different than the smallest. Okay, it's different. No, are not equal. Y lo otro, utiliza el superlativo. No utilices lo que está aquí, porque algunos dicen, which is the high mountain in the world? No, it's not this. You need to use the superlative. Fastest animal. The highest mountain in the world. The longest river in the world. The smallest. You need to use the superlative, my friends. The superlative. Use the superlative. Okay? One more time. We are going to work in groups. Okay? Continue, but in this case, different groups. Yeah, different groups. I'm going to say different groups, okay?
Yo ya tengo problemas.
Profesor, ¿por qué no puede ser los mismos grupos?
En el grupo ya habíamos hecho más de 3 preguntas alrededor de...
Okay, Camila, if the teacher entered to your group, repeat your questions. Repeat your questions. Speaking English.
Okay, teacher.
Okay? Yeah, one more time, my friends. Go to your groups. 5 minutes more.
Teacher, mi Jacob me bota cada que trato de ingresar, profesor.
Yes, Jacob. I know that. Okay? Don't worry. But try to speak in English, okay? If your internet is okay, practice with your group. Let's go to your groups. Let's go to your groups. Let's go.
Which is the biggest animal in the world? Which is the biggest animal in the world?
Blue whale.
Continue. More questions. Other student.
Oh, parece que Sheldon también está aquí.
Which is your question? Okay, Roxana, your question.
Which is the fastest animal in the world?
The cheetah.
Chita, creo, ¿no? Chita, ¿no?
Sí, a ver.
Yo pregunto a Regina. Which is the small animal in the world?
¿Puedo repetir?
Which is the small animal in the world?
Hola.
Yeah.
Regina, your question, please, to the group.
Which in the largest continent?
Any student? The largest continent. Abigail, Jaciel.
Australia. Australia.
Which is the Asia?
Yeah, Asia is the largest, not Australia. Jaciel, your question, please.
Profe. Which is the longer ride in the world?
The giraffe.
The longest river, no animal. The longest river.
¿Por qué Yo tengo uno, pero me estás diciendo que no tiene que ser del libro.
Continue, my friends. Continue.
Yeah. Which is the sea? Which is the sea biggest in the world?
The Pacific.
Yeah, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. No? Okay, my friends, let's return to the class in groups. Okay, let's return.
Profe, Laura no puede ingresar, profe. Entraba y salía, pero bueno, no sé si será de su internet, pero me dice, profe, tengo buen internet.
Teacher, me parece que ya vamos a volver a los grupos reales.
Yes. Okay, my friends, practice please the superlative because in your writing you are going to give a speech, an oral speech. Okay? Okay, my friends, pay attention please. Yes? Yes, Gabriel? Do you have a question? Okay, chicos,
sé si la pregunta.